I'm about to have to do some grown damn man training because, man, real talk, if you don't know how to groom yourself, take care of yourself, you don't need to be on YouTube talking about nothing about a woman. Nothing about a woman, nothing about female nature, nothing. If you niggas still sleeping in socks, if you fools still sleeping in socks, yeah, that kind of shit. If that's one of you dudes, man, any success you've had with a woman has just been purely by that chick granting you some pity pussy. That's the truth. Because they don't want dudes like you. They'll take you in a pinch, but they want grown damn men. What I mean by grown damn men, I mean men that hold themselves, carry themselves like men, you know? And that's all the way around the board. You know, one thing that I find is kind of funny is some cats, they really think they know, but they don't know. So when they get on the panels or get in chat rooms, they really start telling on themselves. It's like, really? Like there was a conversation about like Axe body spray. And one of these dudes actually came in and said, what's wrong with Axe body spray? Ninja, if you a grown damn man talking about what's wrong with Axe body spray, the nerve of you niggas. Huh? What's wrong with Axe body spray? Every goddamn thing's wrong with Axe body spray. You a grown goddamn man. Act like one, dress like one, groom like one. Got a lot of grown men out here still carrying themselves like boys, hygiene like boys, grooming like boys, and want man-sized results. So, I'll tell you first and foremost, women want men. Women want sexy men. Women want masculine men. Women want men that other women want. The reason you can't get any quality ass, the reason you can't keep a bitch, the reason you can't hold a woman, the reason you can't knock a bitch is because you don't look like a goddamn man. You look like a fucking child. You carry yourself like a fucking child. You do child shit. I look at some of you dudes' profile pictures and I laugh. If you got a shirtless profile picture, put on a goddamn shirt. Nobody want to see your cuts. Let's start from the bottom though. Get some damn shoes, niggas. You need 6 shoes. And I've made 4 videos telling your punk ass what 6 shoes you need. If you don't want to go invest money in your shoes and your footwear, you want to walk around wearing run over tennis shoes and beat up dress shoes, nigga, deal with the outcome. Deal with these trash bitches that you get. That's right, I said it. Deal with these trash bitches you get. A woman that will fuck a man with run over shoes, dusty ass shoes, ain't a bitch I want to deal with. See, you equate the fact because you can get out here and get some stanky ass, lower level pussy. You equate that as like you winning. No, you ain't winning. You ain't winning. It's not winning if you fucking a vampire. 9 to 5, in by 9, out by 5. I said on the other stream, give yourself the gift of goddamn daylight. Get a day walker bitch. Get a bitch that you can walk around with in front of everybody. And everybody be like, damn, Jermaine came. Damn, that Jermaine is the man. He came up. See, a lot of you guys can't pull these kind of chicks because these chicks require something of you. Do you know how to shine a shoe? This is why so many of you dudes should have gone to the military. At least in the military, they would have made you actually learn how to take care of yourself. Grooming is important in the military. This is why I recommend so many guys go to the military. Do you know how to shine a shoe? If you don't, the nerve of you niggas. There are plenty of videos out on here on YouTube. I got videos out here know how to shine shoes. I see some of you guys' shoes, and I'm like, damn, your shoes just need to be shot. Here's the thing. If a woman can look at your shoes and anticipate what your drawers look like, what your house look like, you don't see a man with well-kept and clean shoes who has bad hygiene and grooming. It matters. Women's sense of smell is anywhere from 3 to 7 times more sensitive than a man. They look at this stuff. You may not think it's important, but here's the thing. You ain't fucking you. So I don't care what you think. I don't give a damn if you don't like what I'm saying. Fact of the matter is, you need to know this shit. So if you don't know how to shine your shoes, learn how to shine the shoes. Get you some a spray bottle with some water, an old sock, a rag. Get you some shoe cream and then shoe polish to match the color leather you have and go to work. Clean your damn shoes. Put shoe trees in your shoes, even your tennis shoes. See, you jokers will actually go out here and buff up and clean your Jordans and shit like this. No. You need to, if you're going to wear whatever, you need to clean them. Clean your shoes. Change your shoelaces. Put foot powder in your shoes. Dr. Scholl's. It's coming up on the summertime. Don't walk around wearing shoes with no socks. You need to have a no-show sock on there. That's right. And then some powder in there. Bottom line, That's what you do. You only need 6 shoes: an Oxford, a monk strap, a boot, a loafer, a driver, and a sneaker. That's it. A man only needs 6. Everything else is a lifestyle choice. I will say, you know what I say, anything under $150 is cheap because you can't get the parts. But then the thing, a man that takes care of his shoes are nice, clean, tight, even a spit shine on them. Boom. So I don't want to hear anything about these women obese and this and that when I look at you dusty, busty, crusted ass dudes. Clean your goddamn shoes. Next, move on up the body. Let's talk about keeping your ass clean. I don't care who sits around and tell you, man, I don't want one of them shower puffs. I want a manly thing. I just need a soap and a rag. See, a lot of times guys come in here and they want to, you know, because a guy takes grooming and takes care of his body seriously. Nigga, we ain't bathing with lava soap, okay? You don't need pumice. You ain't out in a fucking mine. You're not up under a car all day. You are in an office environment somewhere. You're not really out here building bridges. So you know what you need? You do need a bar of Dove soap, not Ivory, but Dove, because it has body oils in it, and a rag. But you need to get a fucking shower puff that you change out weekly. You can use Dove body wash. They have one for men. There is one line that you can use for all your men's products, and it's Jack Black. They got a body wash. They have an all-over body wash, and then they have a turbo body wash. Either one of them works, but I like getting specialized stuff for special things. Tell you something. This is what I've been using here lately. This is from L'Occitane. This is $25, and it lasts me a month. It has almond oil in it, and put a little on a shower puff and clean yourself. Oh my God, life is good. You're not all dry and cracked up and everything else. Find something that works for you. Jack Black is going to be my general recommendation for everybody who's watching now on the rebroadcast. What you really want to find is something that works for you. You don't want stuff that's going to take the moisture out of your skin. You need something that's going to leave the moisture in there. But how many of you guys got one of these? Uh-oh, it's a shower mitt. Knocks off the dead skin. It exfoliates your skin. What about that? What's happening on your back? You need to get something to get that back, especially as we get in the summertime, because if you can't put your hand on it and apply pressure, you got places all on your body, on your back, that just little places where funk and oil just kind of coagulates. And you out here talking about, man, you know, what kind of cologne should I put on? Nigga, you ain't even clean. I shower twice a day. Summertime, 3 times. Quick shower, pop, pop. I like showering. And the thing is, you want to stay clean. Here's the thing. After you get out of your wash, what you do, one, this is Shea Moisture Daily Hydration with Coconut Oil. This is a great overall body lotion. It's like $9. It's not that cheap equate stuff. Man, if you got lotion that feels thin and oily, man, just throw that shit out. You need something that's going to absorb in your skin. The largest organ on your body is the skin, and you need to take care of it. So after you clean it and exfoliate, you need to moisturize. I told you need a shower puff, something for your back. You need to exfoliate at least 2 or 3 times a week, not every day, every 2 to 3 days. But you also need to get one towel that goes to your armpits and your asshole. You need to get a towel and some soap and scrub under your armpits. And then use that same towel, apply a nice dose of soap, spend 2 minutes washing your nuts. Don't just go 1 or 2 passes now, nigga. Wash your nuts. Wash up in the crack. Wash up under the taint. Yep, you need to do that. And then you need to rinse that motherfucker out, do it again, and wash down the crack of your ass. Yep, down the crack of your ass. And then you need to actually, and you need to look at it. And you need to wash until that motherfucker's clean. Then you need to actually point away from the shower, bend over, and let the goddamn water run through there. Yeah, nigga, clean your asshole. A woman never licked your ass probably because it's got crustaceans in it, dude. Talking about you want a broad to give you a blowjob and all that, and you got fucking dingleberries and shit all up in your asshole. Asking me about what to wear, what smells good. Nigga, your ass stink.